Welcome to your Lifestyle Videos Daily Market Update. I'm Ryan, your AI guy. Today, let's take a look at the 30-day market snapshot for the City of Vaughan. Over the past 30 days, sold listings are down and the average sales price is up for single-family homes in Vaughan, with average days on the market up to 19 days. The average sale price is $1,790,000. Now turning our attention to condos, sold listings and the average sales price are down, with average days on the market up to 33 days. The average sale price of a condo in Vaughan is $677,000. Remember to enjoy one of the wide selection of videos at lifestylevideos.com. You can also search for homes to view all current listings in your area. For all your home buying or selling needs, connect with one of our experts today and embark on your journey towards the lifestyle you've always dreamed of.